Ooh, what kind of
Gray owl.
the great gray owl?
She's the largest of her kind in the world, with a big appetite for voles.
A big face, big eyes,
The circle of feathers
big ears,
around her
big
eyes
claws.
directs the faintest sounds to her ears.
Ooh, a big appetite.
Under the snow, the vole is as quiet as possible.
I know he is. Ain't quiet enough.
But it's not his lucky day. A short-tailed weasel has picked up his scent.
Ooh,
He's
short-tailed
got to get
weasel.
up.
He in traffic. Ooh, he got tunnel. Picked up his scent. He sure enough better be outie. I'ma smell you, I'ma tell you. You run up there, they gonna get you. Ooh, ain't your day, pal. Ooh, got him in the open. Loved him. Do I need to turn this one on? Ooh, graceful. Look at them eyes. He ain't playing with the game. Ooh.
His tiny footsteps are a beacon to the silent killer.
Beautiful. Blinking the dust out his eye. Ooh. Damn. No, he didn't. Ooh.
This time, the owl misses her chance.
Ooh. He couldn't let you get. He wasn't
The vole
finna
gets
get.
to live another day.